This is Team Funky Innovators with sequential loading of turbine using PSOC.
As you can see the modules, we have built a frequency to voltage converter using an LM2917 IC. Instead of using a mechanical to frequency converter, we have directly used a frequency generator because using a mechanical on a small scale wouldn't be feasible. We are loading the frequency generator input to the IC. This is supply, as you can see. 12 volt supply will drive the LM2917, which will convert the frequency here to the corresponding voltage on this circuit, as you can see here. This is a RC network which is actually connected to the LM2917 by using various combinations of resistances and capacitances. We convert this into voltage. This voltage is in turn fed to the PSOC as such, where the PSOC is coded with a program so that depending on the voltage input, it switches on certain LEDs. As I'll just show you now. When I vary the, as you can see, the frequency is close to 200 Hertz and none of the LEDs is glowing there. As I slowly increase the frequency, there's one at 500 Hertz, there was one LED that was glowing. Actually it's 600, and if I slowly increase again, you can actually see the LEDs going up. So what we are doing is, we are converting an analog frequency into the LEDs, which can be connected to relays, so that switching can take place. And I can show you one more input. At about 1 kilohertz of input signal frequency, 3 of the LEDs are glowing. And this can be extended, and the LEDs can be increased in number to increase the resolution. And these LEDs can also be replaced by relays, which would actually give us what the real project is.
The basic version of the actual version of this is to switch the relays, which connects the low power PSOC network to a very high power network, something like houses or something. So basically, based on the frequency of the turbine, to maintain the drag resistance within the limits and switch the load so that the efficiency of the turbine is increased. This is what the sequential loading of turbine does. Thank you.